Hello everyone, welcome to the Real Miracles, and today I'm going to promise with all of you that your next 8 to 10 minutes are going to be wonderful, because in this video I'm going to compare two books where one of them is non-fictional and second one is fictional, and these two books are really famous, and I'm going to tell you how these fictional and non-fictional two self-help books help me to upgrade my life, and it will going to work for you as well. So please watch this video till the end, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is this Instagram @the Real Miracles, and please follow me on podcast. If you didn't watch my videos and didn't follow me on Instagram, then please try to listen to me what I want to say. Please give me your time, because it's very important and it will definitely going to work for all of you. Okay, so in this video, as I earlier told you, that there is one book written by Robin Sharma, and its name is the 5 AM Club. Even I have made one different video on that book, so you can check it out. I will also mention it in the description box, and even if you see, यहाँ पे भी notification डाल दूँगी उस वीडियो का if you didn't watch it, and if you are new to my channel, so please watch that video. And it is a very wonderful book. Actually, it's a fictional book, but still it's very uplifting and gives you time to think about yourself, and even persuade you, right, कि अपनी life में करना क्या है. So there are a lot of points which I'm going to cover in this video. Okay, so second book is by Gary Vaynerchuk, and I know most of you who are listening to me and watching this video, they didn't know about him, but please check it out on Google and YouTube. Search Gary Vaynerchuk and you will find a tons of videos of him, because he is the wonderful person. I watched his first video in Feb 2020, and oh my god, I cannot describe my experience in words, what type of drastic changes came into my life after watching his videos. So in this video I'm going to cover some differences between these two famous books, and I wanna request to you all of you, please read these two books. If you can read at the same time, then please do this, because I have done, and I read fictional book at the morning time and non-fictional at the evening time, and it was totally wonderful moment for me. I cannot even tell you, right? So I have make a difference in these two things. So number one thing is that fictional book have something very different. Let me explain to you. Number one point, okay? Number one point is Robin Sharma, in his whole book, mostly focus on perfection, right? Becoming a master of his or her field. But on the other hand side, if we are talking about Gary Vaynerchuk, and in his advices, in his videos, in his books, he always recommend to everyone that please do not become master, do not become perfection, just do it, right? Do some things like posting content daily basis on various social media, produce the content, and think what's gonna work for you. So this is the whole different scenario between these two persons. So this is the first difference I have pointed out in these two books, and I wanna introduce my personal experience here, because otherwise you didn't get my video what I want to say in this whole clip. So please listen to me. If you are a person, right, who is thinking, right, what is aim, what is passion, why would I figure it out? I'm happy with my life, I'm satisfied what I have, but still somehow inside your heart, that something is lacking in your whole life. Fine, then please read this fictional Robin Sharma book, because in this book you will definitely find your way, what you want from your life. He explained different strategies which we have to apply in our lives, and become the better version of ourselves. So it's very important. And second point I want to mention here, if you are a person who is very practical, who thinks practical, and who always energetic to do something, you want to channelize your energy towards your goal, your mission, whatever it is, then please follow Gary Vaynerchuk and read his books. Okay, and now we are going to jump our second difference, and what it is. In Robin Sharma book, the whole book describe most important contribute factor in our success is early morning, right? He always Robin Sharma always advises his audience that please always woke up at 5 a.m. and first 1 hour do the things which he explained in his book. And he made one rule. It's called 20-20-20 rule. It means there is 60 minutes of time which are divided into 3 parts of 20-20-20. And what you have to do, you will definitely going to find it out when you read this book, because it's really amazing. Okay, so on the other hand side, Gary Vaynerchuk always told us that please always do the stuff which you like, which provide you happiness. He doesn't provide you any kind of routine and discipline that you have to wake up at 6 a.m. 5 a.m. But he always advises in his videos and even in his books that please try to make time for your dreams. Okay, try to find out how you fulfill your dreams. Try to figure it out the leisure time and spend it on the things which you really want in your life. Okay, so this is a second point which I want to explain here. And now I'm going to jump into our third point. So the third biggest difference I found in between these two big books is Robin Sharma always says that before going to sleep and after waking up, you don't have to use your mobile phone. Yes, you have to be away from your social network, social media, emails, notification, all this stuff. And on the other hand side, if I'm talking about Gary Vaynerchuk books, he always told us upload content at the morning time, evening time, night time. He doesn't even describe a limit. He always told us upload the content after every 5 to 6 hours. So this is another difference I pointed out between these two books, because Robin Sharma always advises his mentors or audience that please do not use mobile phone before sleeping and after waking up. And it is good to some extent in my personal experience, because I'm also the one who didn't use a mobile phone in my first morning hour, because I want to be more energetic. At that moment I don't want to get stressed by looking at my followers and subscribers and stuff like that. So I don't use at the morning time, but at the evening time I am okay. So now I'm going to jump. The difference is very drastic, and it is in the Robin Sharma book. He always told that we have to apply 3 strategies, and what it is, number 1 is more awareness, because it will help you to make better choices, and again this thing helps you to make better results. This is the whole strategy described in Robin Sharma book. But on the other hand side, Gary Vaynerchuk always told to his audiences that please do not think your content is bad. Do not think that it doesn't going to work for anyone. Just shut your mouth and focus on your work. Upload your content, whatever thoughts you have. If you have a good writing skill, write a good article. If you have good communication skills, make a video, stuff like that. So he always advises that please upload your content in any way, audio, video, writing. So this is the other difference which I have pointed out between these two books. Overall, I can say Gary Vaynerchuk more focusing on this type of because we all are millennials. We didn't live without internet, so it's important to find and figure it out the ways how internet thing is going to work for us. So Gary Vaynerchuk is very gives us very practical insights about all the things. Even Gary Vaynerchuk things help us to take action on the spot. Fine. On the other hand side, Robin Sharma book, I found it very interesting. You will get more happiness if you didn't know what's inside happiness, what's satisfaction. So I can say that Robin Sharma books is to some extent at some spiritual level, but Gary's book are totally mind blowing and practical. Yes, it's fucking practical, because his content, his advices always work. Okay, so this is the difference. And now I'm going to tell you one more point, and it's a similarity. Fine, it's a similarity between these two books. So what is that? And what is that? Robin Sharma also told that do the things which you love in your childhood. Fine, and same thing is told by Gary Vaynerchuk. Yes, same thing. because Gary also advises whenever someone asked to him that what's my passion, I didn't know how to figure it out. Then Gary always told them, please try to figure the things which you love in your childhood, etc., etc. His advice is always unique. So this is the similarity I found. Even there are lot other points, but I just point out some things which definitely helped me to make this video, and which helps me to think beyond my perception. So this is the whole points which I figure it out between these fictional and non-fictional. It means theoretical and practical book. So please tell me, what do you think? How do you feel? Because these two books are mind blowing. Really, it's very fascinating when you read these two books at the same time. You will found something, different kind of energy in yourself. Like I don't know how to describe this to you, but please read these two books. Your life will going to be changed. Yes, I am also like you. So listen to me, okay? Listen to me. So thanks for watching this video. Please follow me on Instagram at @TheRealMiracles. Follow me on Spotify at @TheRealMiracles. Follow me, because it gives me encouragement and help me to make more videos. Otherwise, I always like. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and please tell me how you find these videos are going to be helpful for you. Is there any? I know I have made so many mistakes while I'm shooting this video, because I don't know, but it's my starting, but maybe I'm going to be perfect one day. So I'm just practicing it here. So please tell me, what do you think about this video? Comment section में जाओ and tell your experience. So thanks for watching to me. Thank you.